Today we are here at Hickory Bluffs, which is in Canton, Georgia. It is an active adult community, and I am here with Tim from Lennar. And Tim, one of the struggles today in the market is that sometimes there isn't availability, but we are standing here in the Camden floor plan. This is your model home here, and I understand that there's actual availability. You can actually get this floor plan in a home right now.
That's right. We have several to choose from, and you can move in tomorrow.
So talk me through this floor plan. What does it look like?
Well, this is a ranch, and this particular one has a loft option, so that's 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. And one of the things that's really different from our ranch plans than others is it's a 0 entry from the garage into the home, so no step-ups. And we also have a 0 entry into the shower, so the home is really ready for our active adult lifestyle.
So tell us a few additional features we'll find here in the Camden.
Well, all of our ranch plans are very open, and they're all one level with an option to have a loft with a bedroom and bath. So in our master suites are just dynamic. I mean, some have large sitting areas, but most have double vanities and a 0 entry shower. And each one would offer a gourmet kitchen. Each home is built with the homebuyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, fireplaces, and cooktops because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford.
And what would you say are some of the things that homebuyers are attracted to this neighborhood and maybe that makes you different from some other active adult communities?
Well, in addition to the fact that we have ranch homes and we have available ranch homes, it's where we're located. I mean, our location is second to none. We're close to everything. I mean, 5 minutes to Publix and 15 minutes to the hospital, 65 restaurants all around us, and quick access to the highway. I mean, that is really a huge thing. In addition to that, our active adults want that lifestyle, and so we have tons of amenities.
And what are some of those amenities? Because I know how important that is, especially in an active adult community.
Well, we're gated. We have a huge clubhouse, pool, tennis, and pickleball, and we have sidewalks throughout the entire community so that they can walk their dog or just walk themselves around the community, and we'll have lots to do for active adults.
And I think something that's really important to talk about with Lennar is their everything's included, so tell us about that.
Yeah, so Lennar does this program which is really cool. Everything's included. I mean, what does that look like? That means everything's included. So when you walk in a model home or when you walk into one of our floor plans, what you see pretty much is similar to what you get. So the gourmet kitchen and the flooring and all that stuff, the lighting, it's included. So we're not trying to send people to, away thinking that they're gonna get one thing and end up with another.
Wow, well, with such a wonderful community, so much to offer and actual availability right now, I'm sure there are people out there that want to find out more. So what is the best way to do that, Tim?
Really the best way is to call our internet team at 404-931-7462 or to go online and go to lennar.com and just search Georgia, then Atlanta, and then Canton, and you'll find us.
Well, Tim, thanks so much for your time today. I very much appreciate it. Love learning more about Hickory Bluffs. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas appliances, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.